Okay, this is a kind of different question. It's one that I've not seen the like of up until now. Really, it's a question about comparing the types of equations you're given in the data booklet to the equations given on the screen. So let's see what we've got. We've got uniform acceleration. Now that should bring to mind our equations, which, like I say, are given in the data booklet, which is the Subat equations. Uniform acceleration can always be calculated using this. Now, the difference here is that we're not dealing with, say, initial velocity we're dealing with initial velocity v1, final velocity v2, and then times t1 and t2. And so really what we're trying to do is map between these equations and discover which one of these is right. Now, we'll take the statement 1 as an example. You can see there we've got A, acceleration, we've got S, and we've got some t2 take away t1 squared. So hopefully that's pointing in the direction of the equation, that third one down, S equals t plus a half at squared. Now, in this sort of different form, we would write it in this way. The S is equal to V1, or V1 is just U, times T2 take away T1. Well, T2 take away T1 is just a time interval, plus a half A, and then the time interval again squared, T2 take away T1 squared. So this is in sort of new speak, if you like. Now, what we want to do is calculate this, rearrange this, so that we have the acceleration. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that first term to the left-hand side. I've got S take away V1, T2 minus T1 equal to half AT, and then time interval squared. And then I can rearrange. Okay, and it's pretty messy. Okay, we've got A equal to 2S take away V1, T2 minus T1 over T2 minus T1 squared. I would not be surprised if I've made a mistake there. However, if I have, you can see there that is patently not the same as statement 1. Now, the nice bit about this is if you started on that statement 1, you will see that every single answer claims that statement 1 is correct, with the exception of C. And so therefore you'll see actually that C is the right answer just by ruling that out. Now you could go through those equations in the same way and you will find exactly the same thing. They'll rearrange nicely. However, if you're fortunate enough to choose this method, then you don't have to go through that process.